Introducing the 2022 Volvo XC40 Recharge PRO 5-door auto in sleek black exterior colour. This electric vehicle packs a punch with a 1.5-litre engine and automatic transmission. The perfect combination of style and sustainability, this estatejeep body style is the epitome of luxury. Loaded with comfort and convenience, features such as air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, satellite navigation, and more. Safety is at the forefront with ABS, multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. This Volvo also boasts stylish accents like roof rails, spoiler, and privacy glass. With a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and service to manufacturer specification, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today. Drive into the future with the Volvo XC40 Recharge PRO.